Hi, my lovely Geminis. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Geminis, first and foremost, let me wish you a very, very happy birthday. May this year be full of peace, bliss, abundance, lots and lots of good health. That's of prime importance, is what I've realized over the past few years. So yeah, Geminis, like always, we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June. I don't believe we are already halfway through this year, and just like how. Anyway, so like always, this is going to be a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Geminis, while shuffling for you guys, I am actually feeling very exhausted and very tired, not just physically but mentally. Like I'm like completely mentally exhausted. It's like all the energy is sucked out of me. That's the kind of feeling I am getting right now. I feel that for some of you guys, there is a long pending issue or a long term situation that is reaching its closure, or probably it might have ended and it has actually drained you. Okay, it has actually sucked all the energy out of you. I feel that some of you guys have cut ties with someone and you are probably not communicating with someone, and probably the other person is the other person might just show up with an apology. Okay, would want to communicate with you, want to get in touch with you, but you are in no mood to reconcile. Okay, now this could be between two professionals, between two partners, between in a romantic relationship, between two friends. Okay, the bond could be anything, but that's what I was connecting to. Okay, yeah, that energy was coming through very strongly. Someone is just wanting to have a fresh start to life, is what I was saying. Having said that, let's get started, guys. And remember, since it's a collective reading, the energies could be reversed. Like you could be on the other side. Okay, someone might have cut ties with you, like I said, and you are the one who is apologizing. So take how it resonates. Okay, so yeah, with that, let's get started. I hope you guys can see the cards. Let me first place and then I will rearrange the. Yes, there is death right at the center. Right at the center. Yes. Are you guys able to see it? Let me pull this down. Let me pull this down as well. Yep, I think it's visible now, right? Yeah, okay. The energy at the bottom of deck, yes, 6 of Wands, 7 of Cups, the Emperor, Ace of Wands. Yeah. I can take all the cards. Those are like so much, matching with your energy. But I'll stop at 5. It becomes really too long. So yeah, let's get started, guys. The energy in your recent past is that of Moon and 9 of Cups. Now I feel that some of you guys have really gone through a shadowy period, a tough period, and it's kind of the kind of energy that I'm getting is that it was not easy, to keep going on through this phase. Okay, like I said, whatever it was a long term situation, and it was kind of challenging for you guys to keep on going. But I must say, guys, I am super duper proud of you that you have actually found your path through the darker nights, through the darker time, and slowly but steadily you have successfully managed to come out of whatever this situation was. I feel that some of you guys have consciously or had made a conscious decision to focus on his or her goals instead. Okay, now these goals could be career related, it could be personal, it could be health related, but I see that is how you kept on shifting your focus and kept on going through the darker times is what I am getting. Okay, and so much so that now whatever goals that you had set for yourself, you guys are pretty close to achieving those goals. Like for example, you decided to concentrate on your fitness, or you decided to learn a new skill, and you actually put all your energy and attention into that, and you are almost there is what I see. Okay, and I am so proud of you guys for that. Moving to your present, I feel that guys, whatever this ending was, this was your conscious decision. Okay, it is like I feel that you guys decided to put a break, hard stop to whatever this toxicity, whatever this BS was. It would be coming from a person, or it could be coming from an organization or a workplace or whatever it is, but it was your conscious decision. You decided to take reins in your hand. Okay, strong Scorpion energy, Scorpio, Libra, Virgo energy coming through very strongly, guys. Okay, not necessary, but yeah, those are the signs that I can see very, very strongly. So yes, you guys focused on making your dreams come true. You guys focused on chasing your dreams. Okay, you took the reins in your hand. Okay, and it was like you stepped into your element, you stepped into your power, and you actually I see someone actually telling himself or herself that I am the creator of my own reality, and I won't let anyone write it for me. And that is how you actually have moved from the moon or the depressing phase to this magician phase, wherein actually you are making your dreams come true. Okay, I feel that the ending that you have had, okay, or that you have manifested, or just gone through, that you have actually managed to change it or transition it into a new beginning altogether, in terms of achieving new goals, new targets for yourself. Okay, and that is a very, very lovely energy, guys. That's what I'm seeing over here. Very, very awesome and commendable job is what I'm seeing over here. Yes, you are actually manifesting things consciously is what I'm getting. Very, very consciously. Awesome. Moving to your immediate future, I see that for some of you guys, there could be for some of you guys, I feel that there is going to be a legal separation. Okay, I feel that you guys might be headed for a divorce for some of you guys. Okay, and if that was in process, you are going to get your papers very soon. The legal matter will be resolved very soon. For some of you guys, there is going to be some sort of paperwork coming through. It could be related to property, it could be if your property work was held for some reason, or if you had applied for a new job and the offer letter was not coming through, that documentation is going to come through is what I am saying. Okay, there's going to be there is going to be a flow of communication happening is what I'm saying. Okay, whatever work that was stuck for you, you are going to get it through very soon. Okay, anything legal concerning official paperwork is going to come through is what I'm getting. I want to clarify the King of Swords. We'll come back to this King of Swords. Okay, let's see what is this King of, or who is this King of Swords. Yes, 8 of Wands and 6 of Wands. 6 of Wands has been showing up a lot while shuffling, and I think it is there in your overall energy as well. Okay, so guys, whatever it is, okay, you are coming out victorious from this situation. Okay, this ending is going to be in your favor. Whatever this legal battle, legal conflict was, okay, it is going to be in your favor. Okay, so whatever fight that you had for past few months or years, it is going to be worth it, guys. You are going to be victorious in that. If you were held up in any legal battle, the result is going to be in your favor, is what I'm getting. Okay, especially if it's related to a court case, or your property matter stuck. Okay, or if your money was stuck somewhere, whatever it was, it is going to come in your favor. There is going to be a lot of communication happening. Okay, you might get a lot of messages, mails, in your upcoming weeks slash months. I also feel that some of you guys might be traveling somewhere. Okay, or even relocating. I see relocation for some of you guys, from one city to another, or probably even overseas. Okay, there is definitely travel involved. Okay, you could go for vacation, or you could just relocate to another place, is what I am saying. Okay, Ace of Cups is there at the bottom of the deck. Ace of Cups was there while shuffling also. For some of you guys, there could be a new beginning in terms of their romantic life as well. Okay, what else do I want to clarify? Should we see what this death card is about? What are my lovely Gemini's ending? Any pointers towards the death card? Yes, definitely. You had decided to move on in your life, move forward in your life, and this death was your conscious decision. You had given it a lot of thought, and you had decided that no more of this BS, and I want to move on in my life. And that is how you had put an end to something. Okay, into a long-term situation, spanning between 8 to 10 years probably, or even more. Okay, but yes, you are definitely consciously ending something, and I'm so proud of you guys. There was, like, I feel that you guys, this decision has not come through very easily. You had a lot of mental clutter, mental conflict while arriving at this decision, but like I said, you have worked your way through your fears. Okay, you have conquered your fears. I also feel that some of you guys had gone through a very low phase in terms of depression as well. Okay, but you have actually worked your way up, and I am so proud of you guys. I'm so proud of you. The Emperor here is telling me that you actually took power in your own hands. Okay, Emperor and Magician, I'm getting the message that you decided to take reins in your hand. You decided to take control of the situation, stand up for yourself, and that is how things changed for you. And like I said, Geminis, I am super proud of you guys, like super duper proud of you. Some of you guys are living a very disciplined life now. You have made holistic changes to your life is what I'm saying over here. Okay, maybe like meditating, exercising, sleeping on time, waking up on time, dietary changes, that kind of lifestyle changes I'm getting. So yes, someone has definitely started taking care of himself or herself, is what I'm getting. I also feel that there could be a father figure involved over here who is guiding you through all this. Okay, you are seeking help of someone. Okay, it could be he or she, but yes, someone whom you look up to and whom you consult. Okay, you might be taking legal help from this person, or even going for a therapy to this person. Okay, but someone definitely is there out who is helping you out. Okay, who is helping you conquer your dreams. I feel this King of Swords and this Emperor are same energies. Who is helping you understand your own power, is what I'm getting. Okay, own rights probably. Who has told you your own rights, is what I'm seeing over here. And finally, Ace of Wands. There are brand new beginnings. Your life is going to restart again. Some of you guys might get new work opportunities. Okay, there could be beginning in terms of love life. For some of you guys, guys might be dating someone, and there could be communication happening between these two people. Okay, lot of messages, phone calls being exchanged. I also feel that some of you guys might travel to see each other, is what I'm getting. But definitely new beginnings, and very passionate at that. It could be at at personal or professional level, guys. Take it how it resonates. Let's see what messages we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Improving health. Yes, like I said, some of you guys have definitely focused and made health their priority, and I can very much see that someone has really set some fitness goals to themselves and has become very disciplined and organized. Unlikely. So if at all you guys have any question related to yes or no, the answer to that is unlikely. Okay, unlikely to happen. Okay, anything else? Anything else for my lovely Geminis? Recovery. Oh, recovery. Wow. So recovery is like, again, this is going hand in hand with health is what I'm getting in terms of a message or energetically. Some of you guys are definitely helping himself or herself in healing. Okay, healing emotionally, mentally, physically. Okay, that's what you are channeling your energy into, or that's what you should focus into. If you're not doing that, that's the advice from the spirit guides, that you must make yourself and your mental and physical well-being the first priority, and focus on improving your mental and physical health, and focus on recovering. Okay, healing is what I'm getting. Let's see what messages we have for you guys from this particular deck. Luck is on your side. Wow, what a beautiful confirmation. So whatever actions, decisions you have taken, rest assured that it's the right decision. You are going to be victorious, and luck is definitely favoring you guys. What a lovely confirmation. Anything else for my beautiful Geminis? What do you need to release and meditate and contemplate is that at the bottom of the deck. I had seen it while shuffling also. So guys, like I said, it definitely was not an easy period or easy decision for you guys. If at all you guys are still clinging on to some negativity, some fears, just pay attention to it. Meditate a lot. It will help you regain your thought processes, regain your energies, and you'll get your answers. Okay, it will direct you to whatever is your pain point, and you'll be able to heal accordingly is what I'm getting, or that's what the guides want to tell you. It was a very lovely and empowering message, my lovely Geminis, and like I said, I'm super duper proud of you after seeing this reading. So yeah, once again wish you a very happy birthday. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up. Share comments, drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.